high-end equipment and boats to other. We're going to do some basic fishing here and show everybody we can have just as much fun doing that as we can do in a real expensive Norway. So, hang on, take you in for the boat launch right now. Okay, so I'm at the boat launch. It's 6:29 and I'm waiting. Here we are at the boat launch. Been over there. We're waiting for Dan and Dave to show up with the little boat, and we're going to go have some fun today. It looks really nice out. The trees aren't even moving. It's a balmy 43 degrees outside, so I got my hat on, but we should have some fun anyway. So, like I said, not a lot of big boat involved in this one. We're going to go do it. Oh yeah, here we go. Sun's coming up. We're about 9.9 horsepower motor. Actually, it does a pretty good job. So we forget how blessed we are where we live to have these beautiful lakes like this. All within 20 minutes drive from my house. Probably 4 or 5 lakes. 6 to 7 minutes an hour. And then that's not to mention the big lake. Good Dan. Working that rod. He's on him. Come on, bring that fish in. Standing up.
After we lost the first.
Hemlock Lake, man.
I'm on
Hemlock Lake.
Fall fishing for smallies.
fall small.
He's
working.
Watch it.
Oh, it's a
nice largemouth.
There you go.
What the hell?
There you go. That's a smallie.
Largemouth.
Is it?
Oh, it's a largemouth.
Yeah, it's a largemouth.
Oh, look at the minnows he's eating. Look at the bait
Yeah.
he's eating.
Look at that.
Cisco
Alewife.
alewife.
Hold them up for the camera there, man.
Yeah, look at him.
Oh, I bet. Nice job. Okay.
All right, and it saved my crab.
That's right.
So maybe it wasn't a smallie.
Let him
It's a
go.
beautiful fish.
Dan is putting on a clinic.
A clinic.
A clinic of how to catch bass.
This one's a little bit of a dinker, though, I think.
Yep. I got the same bait at the same depth. I can't buy a strike. He's on his third.
It's all on the touch.
Apparently it is. But he's using my three-way rig technique though. So that means they're up off the bottom a little bit.
Yeah, I'm down about 12 inches off the bottom.
Yeah. Oh, here he comes. There he is. Oh,
Another
he's a big one.
largemouth.
He's a chunker.
Yeah, they're all chunkers. Actually, that first one we lost, I thought was a small. It was a largemouth.
Yeah. I've been trying to get these guys to fish deeper, and I think they're starting to see the light. Oh, he's still pulling drag.
Got him
Look at
at
him go.
30 feet, I can tell you that. I took notes.
Okay, there's the weight. There's the three-way rig. That is a nice small. That is a nice one right there.
Nice largemouth.
It's all about 4 pounds, I think. Oh, it's 5.
No.
It's 4. 5.
That's 7.
That's 970 pounds.
Barely hooked.
Barely hooked.
That's a 3-pounder.
Yeah, that's a nice fish though. It's got a great shape on it. That's a little more than 3.
We'll go 2 inches.
Oh, dude. That's cool. The whole thing came off.
I saw that one hit.
Oh, you got snagged probably. Yeah, by Robin. I was like, that's the spot where
That's a largemouth.
But this will give me a chance to piss.
That hit like a largemouth.
Yes, it just. Hey, we got a pattern.
Yeah.
You know?
I think this
You have a pattern. Nobody else does.
yeah, you have a pattern, yeah.
Come on, get him in.
I told you, I need to smoke a dugout. Now, when you get to the sinker, bring it up over here for me and I'll get him.
Yeah.
Don't reel while it's pulling out drag. Twist your line.
Just let the rod tip do the work.
Bring it over here to me and I'll get it. Another nice one.
Oh, wow.
Oh yeah, that's another nice one.
Picture out. Get your camera out.
I got it.
I
We're,
hope you're filming
we're
this
recording?
stuff, Chuck.
yeah, I am recording this stuff.
Oh shit!
Jeez.
Look at the colors in
I
that.
do.
How
I do.
clean he
Let me
is.
get you. He'll be fine. Let me get
Take
my.
a picture.
Yeah.
I wouldn't mind taking a picture. Then I have to look back at my text from you guys all the time on. Watch
Dan.
your rod, Dave.
I'm gonna take it out.
Dan is going out of control here
Dan
today.
is teaching us.
He has proven the
The only,
effectiveness
the only
of
one with a three-way.
the three-way rig is definitely the way to go.
You're like, that's not a fish. I'm like, that's a fish, dude. This is a better one than the other one.
Yeah, you'd think that even with this bottom bouncer, I'd be able to.
You want a net?
Maybe. I don't know.
Oh, I'm over here, Dan. I'm just out of your way.
You gotta get off it.
This might not be a bass. This might be something else.
It's acting like a bass, though.
Chuck, you wanna grab this?
I can lip them.
Gotta get this out somehow.
I'll lip them.
This is not a bass. If it is, it's a 5-pounder.
There you go. It's acting like a bigger bass. Ready to stick the rod in the water.
Whatever it is.
The sides of this boat are sharp.
It's a catfish.
Is it? Yeah.
It is?
It's fighting different than a bass, or yeah, it's not a bass.
Could be a Laker.
Big Laker.
It could be something different. Yeah.
Come on, bring him up, bring him up. He's staying way down.
Big Laker.
If it's a
Bulldog.
bass, I'm gonna be very happy.
It's acting like a big bass.
That's no bass.
We're gonna come back here again.
Yeah.
Dan is the king.
Dan in this three-way rig. He's owning this lake.
We'll get some more bait.
Yep. Ready? You gotta be close. He's not shaking his head like a trout would.
Fighting harder than a bass.
I don't see any head.
No color.
It's a turtle. A big one.
Initially, it almost felt like it was snagged on the bottom.
Yeah.
It's probably a Laker, but I can't imagine a Laker hitting a freaking crayfish.
Oh, they'll eat
They'll get
anything.
anything, yeah. That's what I've heard.
Jesus Christ.
Let me know if I need to move the boat.
Nah, he'll be okay.
Whoa!
What'd you give, muskie?
Anything I take, he just keeps taking more. He's digging.
Got some shoulders, huh?
Big old catfish.
Or a carp.
I don't know if there's catfish in here.
I'm sure there's got a catfish.
Nah, there's bullheads probably, but there's not.
Yeah, there's
It
bullhead.
has to be this would have to be like a channel cat or
This is the
something. You pull
biggest
that thing.
bullhead ever.
It's like this is not a bass.
That's a bass.
This is a bass.
That's a bass. That's a big ass.
Going on the wall, huh? Dan?
I've got my leader. I'm onto my leader. So
Yeah.
I can't believe we haven't seen anything.
There's no color yet. Easy now, easy.
How close is he?
you're gonna have to hand line him in because I got the thing.
I got him over here. There he is. Yeah, I see him. Yeah, you got your carp.
It's a carp?
Yep.
Oh,
Let
good
him go.
lord.
Wow. All right.
I was like, I ain't gonna pull that thing over fucking board with this pole.
All righty.
Well, we're getting multiple.
Little llama lipped.
Let's bring it in here so my feet are getting soaked.
Yeah, okay.
Nice carp, Dan.
Dan, the carp master.
Yeah, so much for the three-way rig.
Hey,
You got him?
got nothing to carp about.
Could have been a.
I didn't even think. I know there's big carp in here.
Hold it, Dan. I gotta get the camera out.
I don't know if I want a picture with this.
Oh yeah, this is a wall hanger here.
That's a nice carp. That's pretty.
Hold him out there. Oh, there he goes. Got him. Carp master.
I was like, I go,
So here we are, guys, out on the lake.
nice fall
Sun's
day.
up, beautiful fall day.
43 degrees to start.
Yep. We got fish. Doing pretty
We
good.
didn't bring beer today, though.
We didn't bring any beer.
I
thought-
know
it was going to be so cold and we weren't going to be here for long that
Beautiful sunshine.
So anybody who says that we need to have a Megabucks war wagon to go catch fish doesn't know what they're talking
We're in
about.
a $400 special right here.
That's right.
we're all getting wet feet though.
Yeah, it's got a little bit of a leak, but nothing we can't deal with. So, let's fish a little while longer, see if we can get some more of these big boys. The secret was we moved out to the deeper water and we're getting the big fish now, not the little schoolies on the bank. Ooh, I thought I just had one. Okay, GoPro. Dan's doing some boat
We're
maintenance.
sinking.
Little water removal.
That's right. Hey, it's a $400 boat. What do you want?
That's right.
We don't have this problem on the other boat.
Yeah. This thing got a.
Just quit.
Do we have a life raft?
This is it.
You guys are doing great. That's a good boat. It says UB on the side of it. And the Kathy 1 is almost on the boat. So a beautiful fall day it turned out to be. We put fish in the boat. We had a lot of fun. And we really had just as much fun doing this as we would be out on $1 million boat. So just to show you, you don't have to spend all the money in the world to go have fun fishing in New York, in the Finger Lakes and the Great Lakes region. So we're gonna head back up now, grab some speedies,